And if you have any questions or some dimension comments on this session 1, so I more likely to I will welcome. So you can raise a hand and typing in the chat box also. Anytime it's okay. Okay, so let me. Is it okay to start the section 2? Yeah, the main sections, but half of the presentation is explained. Then the section 2, the service side data is introduced as the main part of the today's sessions. Now again, this slide is shown, and the service side data will be explained. Yes, and section 2 and 1, and the definitions of service-side data as a public transport promotion measures. Yes, so what's their kind of, then the service-side data is not also need to be outlined, and then they're not only for the route plannings. Yeah, service-side informations also can be utilized for the promotions of public transport. Of course, you know that there is so many informations, and this tables is from the Japanese bus service handbook. And there is this table is outlining the information provision service regarding the bus transport, and what the contents and what kind of means will be there. Is there such kind of matrix can be prepared. Then the bus stop and the office terminal and the website hotline. Yes, under the folder items and the timetable, route map, and the fare table, and some pamphlet also will be considered as items. Then the about the contents, then the static informations, meaning there are just a fixed informations, and the dynamic informations we considered as a real-time information. For example, the bus location systems and the approach notification, meaning there estimated arrival times and how long, yes, the passenger need to wait to get the buses. And there's some real-time operation info. For example, when some traffic accident or some disaster is happening, and the existing service must be terminated, and some additional or intermediate service also might be served. In that cases, such kind of real-time informations is also necessary to deliver to the citizens. Then just the moving media, yes, inside of buses and some website informations, yeah, and yes, not only for the fixed media and the moving media also have some information. Just this is the examples of bus stop informations, meaning that well, this is just a measure one. Yes, under the again, I explain about Fukuoka cities in examples. Then the such kind of pamphlet is distributed for the citizens who are not familiar with the public transport. However, around the CBD area, so many bus stops is collected. Yes, and in total, and 1C, 4C, 4B, 4S. So many bus stops is be there, and according to the destinations and about the directions, so the bus stop is distributed. So according to if you want to go into the eastern side, northeast sides, the passengers need to go to there. And the east sides and the southeast sides, and according through such kind of regulation or characteristics, so the bus stops is arranged. And this page is showing, this part is showing the 18 to 19 bus stops I mentioned. So how many buses is arrived is just visualized per hour. Then one of the critical points, and the bus stop is designed so that the number of buses can't exceed the 30 trips per hour. Why? The capacity of the bus stop, yes, meaning the one slot can be considered as a 30 buses per hour per direction. So the maximum value of these bus stops is 25 in their 18B with this 8 to 9 o'clock. And if these bus stops is merged in just one bus stops, then the traffic demand by the buses we must exceed the capacity. So to avoid such kind of bus transport related congestions, so the bus stops shall be rearranged. So according to the destinations and the bus route is assigned. But this is just doesn't matter to today's topics. However, this is also critical information for the route planning. So I explained. Then just showing in the bus stop at Singapore. Yes, and this is not so major bus stop, just the intermediate bus stops in the city area. However, even for such kind of very minor small bus stops, comprehensive information is provided. For example, this bus stop is not accessible for the wheelchairs, and you can see that then the detailed timetables, including the approximate arrival times, what times we arrange, is also mentioned. Yes. And what's how such kind of the informations arrival information is provided is I would like you to explain. For example, from one route from the origin to destination is be there, and when you suppose so that this bus stops is around here, then bus transport operator will prepare such kind of operation diagrams according to the travel times from origin to destinations and the destination to origins. Then such kind of operation diagrams will be proposed. And when you, for example, the pointing out the times, then the bus will pass or stop at these bus stops. You can just draw these estimated approximate arrival times for this bus stop. So this is under these utilizing these informations, and the bus operator need to consider which bus fleet will operate this trip and this and with this trips based on this information. So such kind of operation timetables in terms of the drivers work hour management is also need to be prepared. Of course, over very long working hours shall be prepared. So there shall be avoided. So that in terms of the operation management and the drivers working hour management, such kind of timetable is necessary. So most of the bus operator prepare such kind of timetables. So the driver and these operation schedules will be distributed to each operator and each drivers. So the drivers need to check the times and operate according to this timetable schedule. And most of you considered the travel time must be delayed due to the traffic congestions around the cities. But however, then the delay also allowed. Of course, it is not avoidable. It is not avoidable. However, the early departure shall be strictly restricted. But this is the principle for the bus transport operators in Japan and other countries also. So due to the economic or fuel crisis even for the Metro Manila, yes, how they operate efficiently is one of the critical component for the bus industry. So such kind of timetables was also introduced in Japan in the 1952. This is I remember that it is the first examples, but this is this timetable operation was introduced due to the fuel shortage after World War II. So then I definitely expected that current situations is the so-called good opportunity to accelerate the modernization of the public transport. But this is also doesn't matter to today's session. So however, I just mentioned. And of course, this is a very this bus stops proposed very strict approximate arrival times. However, in these cities, this is the United States. Yeah, such kind of very rough and bus frequency informations is proposed. Now, however, even if such kind of very rough information is displayed, in the operator side, they prepare such kind of very strict and specific diagrams. And there another public transport operation site information and the GTFS, General Transit Feeding Specifications, is be the critical items. Then there are some research said some interview survey was conducted and how the passengers search the public transport operation information. And the one research says that the 90% is by Google Map. So there currently, I need to say that the GTFS is the basic infrastructures for public transport. Then when you search, there's some the MRT Samyoto stations in Bangkok, Thailand. And what kind of buses will operate along these stops also displayed. And when you click these items and for example, this route is operate per 15 minutes. And the 20 minutes or 50 minutes, such kind of frequency informations, like showing this tables. This tables is also explained. And this side showing the specific arrival times is also mentioned. Well, why is there such kind of differences can be seen in the same cities is mentioned is due to the structures of the GTFS. I don't explain a lot. However, when you prepare the GTFS, then some other information items, headway, frequency items can be prepared independently. So, for example, during this time slot, then the headway is 30,600 seconds. So such kind of information is displayed in this route. On the other hand, then some GTFS prepared very specific informations like this. In this bus stop, they will stop at 2:30 and 3, 6:30 and 7. 10 and departure 7:30. If such kind of specific information is mentioned in the GTFS, then such kind of specific time arrival time information is be mentioned. But one of the important items is really the bus transport operators will operate as mentioned in the GTFS. This one is also very critical items for secure the reliability of the public transport service in the cities. Actually, yes, and through this situation, utilizing the GTFS, the visualization of the frequency of the bus transport corridor can be mentioned like this. But if such kind of data set is prepared for and you can utilize the GTFS also for the route planning sessions. So anyway, so I would like to highlight the secured GTFS is also useful for the route planning also, not only for the information service for the citizens. Then by the way, so I just review the GTFS at Manila, and this is around Primex Tower. Yeah. Then the Serbian bus stops is mentioned, and so many buses are mentioned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when you click the informations, yeah, and yes, many buses stop at the same times. 33.24 seconds to 5. And so the 30 buses will stop at 30 buses will expected to stop at in 5 minutes. Yes. So the situations is I try to generate it by the ChatGPT. Yes. If such kind of conditions, yes. can be seen around the Primex tower? Of course, definitely not. Yes. So then I can conclude that the quality of GTFS in Metro Manila is very poor. So there, of course, I understand the DOTr is eager to prepare some project to develop their GTFS. So, however, I suppose providing no information is better than providing the poor informations. This is the international principle for the public transport operations. So I would like to highlight.